Cossack Squat, adductor-focused. The Cossack Squat is one of the best movements for building lower body mobility, stability, and strength, especially through the hips and adductors. In this version, we'll focus specifically on adductor flexibility and control. Start with your feet together, standing tall. To find your stance width, use a simple heel-to-toe stepping method. Rotate on the balls of your feet to turn your heels out. Then rotate on your heels to turn your toes out. That's one step. Repeat this 4 to 5 times to find your Cossack stance. This method keeps your stance consistent from set to set and week to week, which is key for tracking progress. In this adductor-focused variation, the foot of the straight leg should point straight forward or have just a slight 5 to 10 degree turnout. This small adjustment helps maximize the stretch through the adductors. If the toe lifts or turns out too much, the stretch shifts into the hamstring instead, which is fine in other variations, but not our goal here. Bring your hands together in front of your chest and aim to keep your torso as upright as possible throughout the movement. If that feels difficult, hold a light weight, let's say 5 to 10 kilos, in a goblet position. This will counterbalance and actually help you to stay taller and more stable in the Cossack squat. Now, when squatting to the right side, make sure to contract the quads of the left leg and keep the left leg straight. Your left foot points forward, while your right foot turns out slightly. As you descend, focus on keeping the right knee tracking over the middle toes. Don't let it collapse inwards. At the same time, press the outside edge of the left foot, the straight leg, into the floor, as if you're pressing the floor away. This cue helps maintain tension through the straight leg and deepens the adductor stretch. As you move lower, keep your chest up and engage the hamstring of the right leg to pull yourself deeper into the squat. Go only as low as your current flexibility allows. You're aiming for quality, not depth here. To return to standing, extend through the right knee and hip while contracting the adductor of the left leg to pull yourself back to the center. Perform all reps on one side before switching and repeating on the opposite leg. Over time, as your adductor length and your control improves, you'll notice your Cossack squat becomes deeper, smoother, and stronger. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.